jealous. The city is my palace. The city is my palace. Jealous. The city is my palace. 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 Jealous. The city is my palace. We won't waste no time. They wanna know about it, tell them. About it, tell them. About it, tell them. But she gon' slide right to my city is my palace. The city is my palace. Jealous. The city is my palace. We won't waste no time. I want she and she, and they love them some me. I can't even speak to all of them, so I call her on the. She gon' pick up on the first ring. We got her right around my damn finger. I will never tell her so. Oh no no.
Bring it back.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, this is Skylar from Calls with Skylar, and welcome back to the oldies. Guys, as you see in the title, I am going to do the Evo homemade Evo relaxer, sorry. And let's see what happens.
But I can't be what she wants. They all have the same story. They all want me to themselves, but I'm a fool. City is my palace. The city is my palace. City is my palace. The city is my palace. This is the vibe of that guy. Put her legs in the sky when I ride. Oh, she got her clothes off. We won't waste no time. Oh, nobody tell them, body, 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 body, body,
Alright guys, welcome back. I have to say, I love it so far. My hair is super defined. I applied every single thing on my hair. I don't like to mess with DIYs because I mean everything is expensive. So what I'm going to do, my darlings, I am going to put a plastic cap on my hair and leave it on for at least an hour or until I feel like taking it off. So stay tuned for phase 2. I will upload it phase 2 in the next video. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm gonna make this video in 2 parts. So stay tuned if you want to see phase 2 and how to make phase 2. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.